Hi there, Racekeeper people. I want to show you a couple of the really common functions in Comparo and how easy they are to use. So we've got Comparo open here. We haven't got an outing open. So to open an outing, we either click the O button on the keyboard or click the open button on there. So I'm going to click O on the keyboard. Brings up our open window. Now I want to open up an outing I've had open recently. So let's click on Recents, and it shows you all the outings you've had open in the last few sessions. I'm going to click this one here. We see the preview here. This is the one I want to play with. Click open on that. Thanks Matt for sharing this outing, by the way. So we notice straight away the videos are upside down. We can easily fix that by going to video rotation, camera 1, and rotate by 180 degrees. Let's flip that one. Camera 2 is still upside down, so let's go to camera rotation again, camera 2, and flip camera 2. There we are, the videos are the right way up now. As you know, we record all our video as separate streams so that we don't pollute the video. So that means we can move the videos around on the screen. We can also double click on this picture-in-picture and make it the main view. So we've got these two views. We've got a couple of different ways of viewing. Right now we're in picture-in-picture mode. We can also select side-by-side. So the camera views are the same size, side by side, or just select camera 1 or just camera 2. Easy as that. I'll go back to picture-in-picture because I like that view, and I'll also swap them over again. So the camera 1 main view is our forward-looking view. We are at an oval. You can see that. Which oval is this? I'm not sure, so I'm going to right-click on here and click Open this location in Google Maps. Up pops Google Maps, and right away we see Rockingham Speedway. I'm going to put layers on. I'll show you why. So we're at Rockingham Speedway. Where's the start finish line in Rockingham? We guess it's around here somewhere, but we can zoom in on Google Maps and see the start line podium right there. So we know the start line is in that section. Let's go back to Comparo. See the data trace here has got this repeating pattern. This is the speed data on the trace down here. This means that we don't have the start finish line set yet, so this is the whole outing. If I whiz along here with the video cursor, you can see the cursor on the map view doing lots of laps, showing that the start line isn't set. This is the whole outing here. So let's set the start line. We know it's up here somewhere, so I can click on the map to the section where we can see there's the start line stand right there. So I can press spacebar to play a little bit and then stop it again. There, so the car is now right on the start line, and to set that position we go to Configure, put start line at cursor position like that, click it, and then immediately we see all our laps appear on the video timeline here, and each section, each lap here is shown as a single lap. So this is a speed trace for the single lap, and we can click through the various laps like this on the video timeline, or click on a section here on the data trace and it will go to that point on the video and also in the data. Now if we want to go to this position on the next lap, we can just click page down and we'll go to that exact same position on all the laps whizzing through, so we can compare our driver line or look at various features of our driving using the video. You'll see on the video timeline here number 4 is highlighted. That's because number 4, lap 4, is the fastest lap. We can look over here in our info screen. We can see number of laps 10. Best lap is number 4 at 1 minute 17.56. And scroll down in that window, you can see lap times for all 10 laps recorded on our Roadkeeper. I hope that was helpful, and look forward to hearing from you and getting your questions. And thanks for watching. Cheers, guys. Bye.